Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Circle to search on Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36. So here I have a Galaxy A46 and here I have also an object. And to use Circle to search I will take a picture to this one and I will show you how to use it. And let's do it. So first thing, just take a picture like this. And now I will go to the photo. And to use Circle to search, just push and hold this button from the middle like this. And now just circle the object and wait for a few seconds. And this is what Google find out. Okay. So this one looks like my own, and you can visit the site and see for what is useful and also how much it costs, and you can find a similar object like this one. Okay, so it is very easy. If you don't like this one, you can search for another one like this one, and again just visit the site and see the details. Okay, so this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.